subscribe to our channel.
7 Fascinating ways to use charcoal. Indiana your home. 1. Eliminating mold. If you have a moisture problem in your house, you can use charcoal to take care of it. When you only have small vents in the walls, ceiling, or floor, it won't do to just ventilate or deep clean. You need to get rid of mold once and for all. Bathrooms, laundry rooms, and basements are the most likely environments to be humid and smell bad. The good news is that charcoal can help get rid of moisture completely. Once thoroughly cleaned with bleach, baking soda, or vinegar, the next step is to let charcoal do its thing. 2. Help in the garden and yard. If you have a nice piece of land that's been giving you too much work and not enough results, you can get help from this excellent natural gardener. If your compost smells like ammonia, for example, it needs charcoal. Just mix a little charcoal in with the organic waste. In addition, if you break it into small pieces and sprinkle on top of the grass and base of flowers and trees, your plants will stay moisturized and you'll get rid of weeds. 3. Purify water. Charcoal traps impurities found in water. That's why it's recommended for use in homes where water quality isn't the best. You can also use charcoal when camping to filter water from streams and rivers. Still, be sure to keep in mind that it doesn't eliminate bacteria, viruses, or minerals. 4. Maintenance of furniture and tools. If you have dark wood furniture or floors, you probably hate to see new hard-to-remove stains or blemishes appear. You don't have to run to get an expert, though. You can rub the surface with charcoal and cover up the problem until you can get it fixed. As for tools, charcoal helps prevent them from rusting or getting ruined from disuse. It's perfect for yard tools. You can rub charcoal directly on them after use, or put a piece in your toolbox. 5. Eliminate bad odors. Does your refrigerator, garbage can, or laundry hamper smell bad? Charcoal is just what the doctor ordered. Just as it does with moisture, this miracle element has the ability to absorb strong odors. Put a piece of charcoal in a bowl or breathable bag and leave it in the smelly areas of your house. You won't have to worry about those smells anymore. 6. Whiten your teeth. If you want pearly white teeth like you see on toothpaste commercials, you can call on charcoal, one of the best home tooth whitening remedies out there. It may seem strange, but once you try this recipe, you'll be flashing a beautiful white smile. Just grind up a piece of charcoal, put it in a bowl, and moisten your toothbrush. Dip your toothbrush into the bowl and brush your teeth as normal. Brush stained areas well. Rinse well with warm water and repeat every day or a few times a week. If using regular charcoal feels strange to you, you can also buy activated charcoal at your local pharmacy. Just break apart the tablets and use the powder on your toothbrush. 7. Draw with your family. If your kids have cabin fever, you can have them draw with charcoal on cardboard or paper. Their artistic side will come out and they'll have a great time. That said, be careful they don't leave their mark on the walls or furniture because it will be hard to get off. If it's summer vacation and you don't want your little ones to spend it on the computer, you can use charcoal to draw on the sidewalk just like you used to do as a kid. Think hopscotch. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.